Welcome back to Woodworker Express. On our last video, I explained exactly what a stock cabinet was, and now in this video, I will explain the difference between semi-custom and custom cabinets. Semi-custom cabinets are a perfect choice for your kitchen. They are offered in standard widths, but depending on the manufacturer, will generally have a broader choice of wood species, finishes, and even depths. The ability to have a deeper cabinet is not only great for design aesthetics, as you see here, it is also perfect for creating more storage area. For example, a 12 or 13-inch dinner plate would not fit into stock cabinets, but with semi-custom cabinets, you can get a 15-inch deep cabinet or even an 18-inch deep cabinet for more room and space. And it'll fit that plate. With semi-custom cabinets, you now also have the option of resizing drawers and doors, adding rollout shelving, spice racks, organization inserts, and more. You could even dress up the exterior of the cabinets with crown molding, cabinet legs, and a variety of hardware choices to create a personal touch. Now be prepared to wait approximately 4 to 8 weeks for semi-custom cabinets to arrive and be installed. Now, if you're planning on going the route of semi-custom cabinets, I highly recommend getting that finish you want, getting the exact sizing you want, but possibly save a little bit of money by installing all the accessories and bells and whistles yourself. Here at woodworker Express.com, we have an endless supply of pull-out trash systems, Lazy Susans, spice racks, and many other organizational accessories that will help make your kitchen functional. Now, let's talk about la pièce de résistance, or otherwise known as custom cabinets. Custom cabinets are built entirely to your specifications. You have 100% control over what type of finish you would like, wood type, color, width, height, depth, down to every last detail that you can imagine. Now for custom cabinets, you're most likely going to be getting at least bare minimum soft closing drawer slides. But with technology advancements, there are now ways that you can touch to open doors and drawers where they electronically open themselves. I will be showing you more about these items later on in this series, so stick around. Now, another advantage of custom cabinets is that many times when I was a cabinet maker myself, I would have customers wanting me to replicate a kitchen that they may have saw in a magazine, or maybe even the one at their friend's house. Custom cabinet route will be the easiest way to achieve this, although custom cabinets generally tend to cost a little more and will most likely take even longer than semi-custom cabinets to be delivered, but you will be sure to get the kitchen exactly the way you want it. So as always, thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you out. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon to be notified when a new video comes out. And don't forget, as always, to visit woodworker Express.com for all of your woodworking needs. I will see you next video.